Hello everyone, just a quick video on how to set your TP and stop loss in Wealthcharts. I'm going to start really fresh, so let's say you're on your homepage, you want to add a new dashboard. If you're still having troubles with how to make a new chart and dashboard, check out my previous video, because I won't be going in details in this video. So just you have a chart. Okay, then if you want to trade here, you have to open your trading panel, which is over here. And then here you have your account. Then you can set a buy, mark, sell, but you don't have your TPs and SL. What you do is you click on simple bracket. Here you can set your take profit and your stop loss. You can just choose how much you want it, etc., etc., etc. And same for your stop loss. You can do this and this. What you can also do is a trading stop and a break-even stop. Another strategy which you can use is the multi-bracket. This is basically that you have a strategy set up, saved for every time. So I have one over here, which is like 120 ticks take profit and a 40 ticks stop loss and no trading strategy. You press this one and it saves it. That's it. So every time before you take a trade, you go here, strategy setup, you select your strategy, and that's it. Hope this helps.